Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can prevent changes to your worksheets and workbooks in Excel. If worksheet protection is turned on, you cannot change any information in cells that are locked. This is a nice feature, but it renders the worksheet useless because all cells in the worksheet are locked by default. Therefore, before you protect your worksheets, you must unlock the cells where you know that data entry will need to occur. To unlock worksheet cells, just select the cells that you know people will need to change within the worksheet that you want to protect. Then click the Format Cells dialog box button that appears in the lower right corner of the Font group on the Home tab in the ribbon in order to open the Format Cells dialog box. Now in the Format Cells dialog box, click the Protection tab and then click the checkbox in front of the word Locked to deselect the locking of these selected cells. Then click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Now you're ready to apply worksheet protection. Alternately, you also have a tool that allows you to create specified ranges of cells into which users can perform data entry within a protected worksheet if they have a password that you specify. Now, if there are ranges of cells which you wish some users could access, but not most general users, then you can specify an editable range of cells in the worksheet and then password protect it. Then people who wish to perform data entry within the range of cells, once worksheet has protection has been applied, will be prompted to enter the password in order to make the selected cell range editable. This varies from the unlocking of the worksheet cells in that these cells will be read-only for users who lack the password to edit them, while unlocking a cell makes it editable by all users. So to apply selective cell access, select the range of cells in the worksheet to which you wish to allow selective access. Next, click the Allow Users to Edit Ranges button in the Changes group on the Review tab in the ribbon. This will launch the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box. Here you can click the New button at the right side of the dialog box to launch the New Range dialog box. In the New Range dialog box, enter a name for the cell range into the title text box. The cells that you selected will be shown in the Refers to Cells text box that appears within the New Range dialog box. In the Range Password text box, type the password that you want to use to allow users to edit this range. Then click the OK button. You will have to retype the password again in the next dialog box, and then click OK to confirm the password. Like all passwords, this needs to be written down in a secure location, because if you forget it, you will not be able to selectively modify the range while worksheet protection is enforced. You will now see the defined range in the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box. Note that you can also select a range once you've created it, and click the Modify button at the right to change the cell range defined by the title itself, or the password for editing access in the Modify Range dialog box that appears. You can also select a range to delete in the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box, and then click the Delete button at the right side of the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box to delete the definition of the editable range if it's no longer needed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.